you're looking for a functional vehicle with reliability, safety, and space for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in granite pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch Tech Silver aluminum wheels, power heated exterior mirrors with manual fold-away, integrated roof rail crossbars, Highline door trim panel, power 8-way driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, 3-zone manual temperature control, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, second row buckets with fold-in floor seats, third row stow and go with tailgate seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5391G.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.